Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got him back, man. Yes. Finally, man. YouTube family. What is good, man? We are back with another unboxing video of Got Them Things Back, man. Look, it is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at you today with an unboxing video. Y'all seen the title, no intro on this one because this one is a mystery, of course. This is a shoe that I had, and man, when I say I had, I could probably say had about 3-4 times because I had about 4 pairs of this shoe typically, or I think I had about 3 in particular size. So this is number 4 in my size. I actually sold the first 3 pairs I had for, I'm gonna say around $300. When I show y'all this shoe, y'all gonna be like, man. But hey, resale prices went up and they skyrocketed, you know what I'm saying? But this shoe is a shoe that I was like, man, maybe they gonna retro this shoe so I won't need this shoe, one of them things, but I couldn't bite the bullet no more, man. Shout out to the homie Ryan Got Sold, man. I'm gonna link him down below. Hey, one of the swaggiest dudes out there on the tube, man, if not the swaggiest, man. So big shout out to the homie Ryan Got Sold out there in the H, man. How you do that? It's like this, H. Shout out to him out there in the H, man. So, you know, hey, he holding it down out there in the H-Town, man. Salute to him. He was the one that blessed your boy with this shoe. Like I said, I was trying to hold out on it, and he made a post showing them, and them joints was looking like, hey, man, grab me. Pause. I'm talking about the shoes. Talking about the shoes. But yes, you know what I'm saying? Like, they was like, hey, yeah, you might want to grab this. You might want to grab these shoes. You might want to grab them because they were looking crazy. But yes, man, we about to dive into it. If this is our first time stopping through, I think I already told y'all to subscribe, but if I didn't, hey, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And other than that, man, make sure that y'all are grabbing some Soul Premise bags, man, because hey, that is the only way to travel, whether it is a vacation, everyday use out, you know, hey, let me just get that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got him. Bang, man. So here we do have the Soul Premise daily commuter bag, which can be used for your daily needs, you know what I'm saying? Going to work, putting anything in there, store some lunch, some laptops, some shoes, of course, man. This can hold up to 4 pairs. Is it 4? I think it's, hold on. This might, I think this bag holds 2. The daily commuter holds 2 pairs of shoes. Pardon me on that one, but we do have, you know, other bags that hold way more shoes. The Luciano leather bag holds up to 6 pairs of shoes if you're like a size 9, 10 if you're a size bigger than that. It can hold probably about 5 pairs of shoes, man. So hey, make sure that you're grabbing a Soul Premise bag. Use the promo code down below in the description, and hey, you will not be disappointed, man. Like I said, if it's a vacation, you know they got you covered. Right here, they got luggage roller bags, man. So hey, not really bags, but luggage rollers, you know what I'm saying? So hey, do not sleep on Soul Premise. You see the branding right there. Very dope product, and it does have like its own locking mechanism system, man. So hey, you cannot lose with these, man. So make sure y'all grab y'all some Soul Premise products. Other than that, man, what did your boy go back and get, man? Whew, got him back, man. Let's check it out. Oh, yes, sir, all the way from the H. Bang, man. Yes, man, we do have a package here. Shout out to the homie Ryan Got Sold once again, man. Hey, that's the homie right there, man. Make sure y'all follow him on the gram if y'all want to see his outfits of the days, and follow him on the YouTube as well if y'all want to see him, you know, throw the fits together with the newest and latest kicks. He be putting it together, man. So hey, big shout out to Ryan Got Sold. Yeah, man, when he sent me pictures of these, I was like, bruh, yeah, man, how much you want for him? How much you want? We got to a negotiable price, and he met me in the middle, and even that middle price is probably about a good $200 less than what the market of this shoe was going for, man. So like I said, shout out to the homie Ryan Got Sold for looking out, man. Let me see what these things looking like. Okay, he got it packaged up nice. You can't even see it. So yeah, what we got back? What we got back, man? Let's see what we got. Somebody was calling me, y'all, but y'all see the bottom of the box, but yeah, man, what we got? Oh yes, sir, we got an Air Jordan 1 thumbnail, man. Got them back. But yes, man, we do have an Air Jordan 1 box here, man. the size tag reads, I don't even want to read it to y'all, but I just want to let y'all know that it is an old school. I'm not going to go up close so y'all can read it, but do y'all see this old school label? So this is something that released, I want to say within the last, what, 2 years or so, because I think we started getting the new labels in 2019. Or the end of 2019, something like that. I think it was the end of 2019 we started seeing the long labels. But yes, man, got these joints back, man. Whew, whew, whew. Yes, man. Still DX, he had them there he had them on ice, man. He had them on ice. So what your boy went back and got, man, shout out to the homie, is the Air Jordan 1. Bang! Origin story, aka Spiderman's. Woo, yes, yes, yes.
My guy Jay the Sneaker, pleasure to meet you. I'm with the fam, it ain't hard to reach you. They gon' ride like the coupe with the features. We in the game, but the haters and bleachers. So take a seat, take a note from the teacher. I mean the professor. Talking big money and stay on the dresser. Keep it 100, won't take nothing less.
Man, my boy had a DS pair sitting on the rocks. Boy, he had these junks iced out, and yes, 100% DS, as you can see. Translucent outsole, which is starting to get a little bit of age on it towards the back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does have a little aging towards the back, you know, but that is, you know, that is bound to happen. But man, look at that, boy, look at that leather, man. Shout out to the homie, bruh. Shout out to the homie for, you know, letting me get these up off his hands. And it's crazy, bro. Like I said, I had like literally like 5 pairs, maybe 3 in my personal size. Sold them all for around $300, man. So I sold 3 pairs for, I didn't pay $900 for them, but about 2.5. I sold 2.5 pairs for the price that I paid for just this one pair, man. So man, how times have changed. He does have his original foot action receipt in here, man. So hey, shout out to him for the blessing, bro. Like, cause I was waiting on Chicago's, but it seems like I turned into an old man waiting on Chicago's. But whew, these joints, bang, man. Take a look at them, man. Let me go a little closer. Look at the leather. Look at the leather, man. Boy, shout out to him, boy, because this pair right here is, in the words of Mike Rich,
butter. These are battery. Yeah, it's a battery. Yeah, you talking about?
Boy, this is a buttery pair, boy. Like, shout out, hey, boy, going crazy. But yes, man, I'm glad I got these in the collection. Origin stories. I had them for like a year at first. I had them for like a year and a half, maybe. A pair of dead stock, and I was like, I'm never gonna wear that shoe, man. But after I sold them, I started seeing them everywhere. It was one of those things, and I was like, man, I gotta get those shoes back. Gotta get them back. I was biting the bullet because I said Chicago ones are on the way, but they playing with the Chicago ones, man. They are playing with them Chicago. So yes, man, Origin story ones are back in the collection. Like I said, man, shout out to the homie. Make sure y'all give him a follow if y'all want to, you know, see how to style outfits and all that good stuff, you know. But man, got them joints right here. So back in the collection are the Origin story, aka Spider-Man ones. Hey, y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this shoe, and do y'all agree with the resale on them right now, man? They going for around a band or higher, man. Some sizes might be around 900 or so, but I know that these are like 1K and up right now, man, because the latest Spider-Man movie and just the age of this shoe, all that stuff has been driving the price up. But whew, dope shoe, man. So got them back in the collection. Like I did say, I had several pairs of these and got rid of them, but it's just one of them things, man. I was like, I need those back. And when I seen the pictures of these, it was a no-brainer, man. But that is it for this one, man. Y'all let me know any shoes that y'all might go back and get that y'all regretted selling, man. What is that one shoe that you regretted selling that you are like, I need to get those back, man? So you let me know down below. Let's start the discussion in the comment section. Other than that, man, thank y'all for watching. As always, man, y'all stay blessed. More movies on the way. And hey, big shout out to everybody who has recently joined the fam, because it has been a lot of newcomers, man. So thank y'all for that, man. We are well on our way to 100K, and I had to give y'all the credit and all that for that, because like I said, if it wasn't for y'all subscribing, I wouldn't be able to hit 75K, 80K, or whatever it is, man. So thank y'all. Stay blessed. Jay making movies. Origin story ones in the building. And we gone, man. Peace.
You got easy, got a cheat code. Yeah, bro, I'm finna go beast mode. Double up, triple up, keep those. Yeah, hell yeah, I'ma keep those. Brand new kicks on my feet though. Yeah, bro, haters, I eat those. She digging my stitches, no Lilo. Finna make a movie on Vivo. Call me Jay with the J's, that's 100 degrees.